thankfully, we have had a pretty good, stable team. We haven't had to bring too many new people, but it is a fun time, right? Like it takes. We talk about, our sales enablement team deals with, our new hires we have, and every part of the sales organization. Certainly, the AEs is something that we are constantly expanding and hiring, and we have all these ramp times, and ramp times are always just indicative, right? So you say 3 months, 4 months, it's depending upon person to person. But in a sales ops organization, revenue ops organization, it's especially complicated because it's not just someone learning how to do the job. They actually have to learn so much or absorb so much of the organizational knowledge, right? Some change that was made 3 years ago has an impact on something we do now, right? Or, do you remember that one time we had to make an exception and do this, and that? And that's why this is not normal, right? And all these things need to be imparted on someone, right? And I think over the years, we've gotten very good at documentation. And, and typically the people that we bring in, they were usually interns, and then so they have some knowledge of it. But it's a massive challenge ramping them up. And what I have seen is the first 3 months, they really add no value at all, right? They're just, hopefully if they have all the basic skill sets, you're just teaching them the organizational knowledge. But, usually what they tell us is, 2 months into the organization, they feel like very comfortable and confident, and then they just hit a roadblock about something that's a total exception. And it takes about 6 months for them to really start contributing, right? That's when they really start adding value. And for someone to get actually good and they can kind of essentially you're fully hands off, it's about a year, right? And that's where I think we talk about all this hiring and churn and everything, and that's where the biggest challenge happens. You lose them at that 1 year mark. I don't think you've done yourself any favors, right? You could have probably gone without having that resource at all. You just wasted all your time in training someone. So I feel like, I think it matters in every single role. But in any operations role, it's all the more important you have better stickiness in the job.